Welcome to the unseen factories. Witness how jeans are made from raw denim to the final perfect pair.
From earth to everyday life.
Crafted with precision.
Designed for life. One fabric, many cultures.
Every pair of jeans begins its journey here.
Good cotton means strong denim later. This is where quality is born.
Harvesting is precise. Every fiber matters for durability and comfort.
Handle carefully. This cotton feeds an entire factory.
From farms to factories, the transformation begins.
This is where raw cotton becomes engineered yarn.
We remove every impurity before spinning.
Precision spinning defines denim strength. Uniform thickness approved. Now comes color, the soul of denim.
Indigo doesn't just color, it tells a story.
Shade consistency is critical.
Magic happens when oxygen meets indigo.
Prevention tension means zero defects.
Raw denim. Strong, untouched, full of potential.
Mark that flaw, cut later.
But raw denim is stiff. Washing gives it life.
Start enzyme wash cycle.
Water, chemistry, and time reshape denim. Controlled heat locks the finish. Denim is ready for transformation.
Align layers precisely.
Technology ensures zero waste.
Send size 32 to stitching.
A little higher on your side.
Okay, I've got it. Let's keep moving.
Every stitch defines durability.
Brand mark elitered. Smooth action confirmed. Shape is ready, but style is next.
Controlled destruction creates fashion. Now begins the final art, finishing that gives jeans their identity.
Pattern depth set to medium fade.
These lines mimic years of natural wear in minutes.
Handwork gives soul to denim.
Human touch still matters.
Maintain safe distance.
Chemistry reshapes color instantly.
Chemical wash cycle start.
Heat sets the final form.
Maintain 65 degrees.
Creases aligned.
almost complete. But perfection needs inspection.
Measurement within tolerance.
A single weak stitch can fail a garment.
Not every piece makes the cut.
Label centered.
Information matters to the wearer.
Sustainability meets style.
Shipment ready.
From here, jeans travel the world. The factory journey ends, but a new story begins. Across oceans and borders, denim carries craftsmanship worldwide. Every container holds thousands of untold stories.
Move container A17 to customs.
Before reaching shelves, every shipment is verified.
Documentation approved.
The journey continues inland.
Distribution turns products into availability. Distribution turns products into availability.
Send these to downtown outlet.
New denim line has arrived.
Hi,
Oh.
Presentation transforms products into desire.
What do you think of these?
I really like the stitching on that pair over there. This feels premium.
This cut offers comfort and durability.
When fit meets feeling, choice is made.
Thank you for choosing our denim. Hi.
Well,
a product becomes part of a life.
Every movement adds character.
Behind every wear lies unseen effort.
Innovation never stops. The future of denim is responsible. Quality with conscience.
it's perfect. Exactly what they wanted.
I can't wait to see the city.
Built to last.
The circle completes where it began.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
The machines rest, but craftsmanship never sleeps.
If we optimize the manufacturing process here, we can significantly reduce lead time.
But what about the structural integrity? We need to ensure the design holds up.
From cotton fields to your everyday life, this is the journey of jeans.